Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this one I will show you how to add UPI payment in Shopify. Alright, so firstly let's go to our settings. Now choose payments. From here you need to click on add payment method. Okay, in the search field type in UPI. Select it. And as you can see in here we are given the information that 3 providers offer this payment method. So depending on which one you want, choose it. For example, Ping Pong, Pause 1, or dLocal Go. Let's choose Ping Pong for this one. Right, so you can read the about here. It's a global payment service, provides safe, convenient, and professional payment solution for merchants conducting cross-border businesses. Okay, to use it, just press on install. Install once again. Okay, as you can see, we are now prompted to log in with our Ping Pong account. So as I don't have one, I'll register one now very quickly for you guys. Okay guys, now after signing up, you will basically need to use your Ping Pong credentials to log in. So let's press login now. Alright, after that you need to choose the trade time. So as you can see, in order to comply with regulatory requirements, select the type of your business. If you want to translate that bottom part, go ahead. I'm not really sure what that is. But let's click confirm, and as you can see now the trade type is chosen. That cannot be modified after confirmation. Confirm or not. Let's confirm. Now let's select the website you want to connect with, so add a website. And as you can see, this last window here will be our final destination pretty much. So you need to submit the website information. After submitting, you will be able to connect your UPI payment method, which is a Ping Pong, and then you can use this service to get paid through Shopify. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this tutorial helps you, and I will see you in the next one.